Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the series of career guidance, today we are talking about a free training in agribusiness development. Before going into the depth of the video, I would appeal you to join our two Telegram channels. First one is for agriculture jobs, where you will find every update of job, exam update, free video course, mock test and counseling and guidance. And another our official Team Agri Edu Telegram channel for every video and study material update. Both links are given in the description box. So guys, we see in news that any IITian or any engineer left his job and he is making crores of rupees of overturn by selling vegetables and etc. agriculture commodities. How he'll get that much overturn? Why not agriculture graduates self making such initiatives? Because of lacking of professionalism. We agriculture graduates have their own ideas of businesses, but we don't know how to professionalize it and convert it into the monetary benefits. For that sake, we need a plan. We need to execute and expand that plan. These are the various tools we use and advanced technology which plans a future agriculture development. We can see in this corona period the agriculture sector was still working and having very large boost in next upcoming 10 years. So to have a maximum benefit of agribusiness development, the central government started the agri clinics and agribusiness centers which are affiliated with Manage Hyderabad and comes under the central government of India Agriculture Department. So guys, this agri clinic and agribusiness centers gives various trainings for agriculture graduates. So where you can find this agri clinic and agribusiness center? First one is nearly in every district one agri clinic and agribusiness center is proposed by Manage Hyderabad, which run by any NGO or agriculture institutions like KVKs. Like KVK Baramati has its own agri clinic and agribusiness center. Also, you can search nearby center via their portals or online on net. So, what are the details of this program? This program is totally cost free. Your lodging and boarding also paid by the training center. It is for length about 45 days of period, and during this period of training you will get the professional help and outline of making any agri business. You will, after successfully completing the program, you will receive a government approved certificate, and on the basis of this certificate you will get subsidies on the loans. Depend on your categories, caste categories, you will receive 40 to 60% of subsidies on business loans, and you will get priority in business loans. So guys, how it will help you for business development? First one is, while you will conduct this training, you will have to choose one project for your business development, on which you will have field analysis, means what is the actual demand of field and how you stand in the market. So you need a market analysis which also included in training. Then report preparation. We know when we apply for any loan, we have to report which we will submit to bank for loan approval. So the report preparation of your project and technical guidance is provided by AC and ABC. Also the loan help and field visits for established industries and expert guidance is provided by the center. So next we will see the eligibility. Who can apply for this? First one is any 12th pass with having any agri related subject in their study, means any 12th pass candidate with general graduation which having agri related like crop science, agronomy, horticulture, etc. subject in his 12th standard. Again, the graduate in agriculture and agriculture allied science. In agriculture allied science, agriculture engineering, fisheries, dairy science, dairy diploma, etc. courses, zoology, etc. are included. Also the diploma in agriculture and agri sciences also eligible for it. And last, the documents required. the degree certificate, caste certificate, Aadhaar card, domicile certificate, 12 7 by 12 means the land details, and 10th and 12 mark sheets. So this was the basic scenario of this course. Hope you have got some new information about this course. It will be very helpful in your business development. If you have any new idea, if you like our video, please subscribe our video and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.